Yeah, super exciting. It's all about water, the element of the flow, emotions, and cleansing. Ever feel stuck in the motion? And just like you can move the past, water teach us to let it flow instead of holding in. For example, if you're taking a vacation and there's a beach right next to your hotel room, and you decide to go for a walk in the morning, and you see the waves coming in and out. I know the beach color blue also is a color help you calm down, but watching the wave come down soothe our body and our mind, and it's a common thing for most of the people. So if you notice when you're on vacation, see the oceans, always you feel so recharged after it. And let's dive in. First practice is drinking water. It's like, come on, this is a common sense, okay? But you put an intention toward the water. So before you drinking the water, I want you to send out the intention, say thank you, water. Thank you, I can drink a clear, clean water when I need it. You do know a lot of places do not give you clean water, and a lot of people suffer from it. So I want you to send an intention for the water and take a mindful shower. When we get tired, stressed, we usually like to take a hot bath with Epsom salt or some essential oil that generally soothe you, your muscle, and your mind. And you can also just imagine the bath water take the energy you don't need and the tension out of your body. Kind of dilute that tension out of your body. Cry if you need to. Then the crying is actually an emotion flow. Instead of holding in, stuck in somewhere, crying is actually help the energy flow and get the energy you don't want out of your body. And there's a scientist actually do a study of the water. If you put intention to the water, saying good thing, positive thing, they notice the water actually turn to a pretty crystal color. But if you say negative, bad thing to the water, they actually turn ugly shape. And I want to share with you in the below. And he also have a book with that. It's super cool. If you know that, and you will be paying more attention of the water. I hope this helped, and we're going to have a water meditation right after this, and we're going to separate this out so you can just listen apart separately if you need to. Do you want to go deeper and take your healing journey to the next level with my 5 days energy release plus understand your chakra going to boost your healing? If you upgrade now, you get extended in-depth guided meditation, not just 5 minutes, and also a step-by-step training for fully clear your emotional and energy block. You also get a beautiful design workbook with you to track your daily journey. And the bonus is learning how chakra is going to relate your chronic body pain and also boost your healing journey. And also including all different chakra meditation for you to get started, not just this 5 elements. And you also get an energy clearing cheat sheet for you to access quickly daily. And we're going to draw a winner every single month for me one-on-one coaching. This bonus is limited and it's worth for $150. So sign up now and we can get started. Do a water clearing meditation. Please do not do this while you drive in or operate any machinery, and find a comfortable position either sitting down or laying down, and turn off all those things that disturb you. I want you to put one hand on your chest and one hand on your stomach. And take a deep breath in and breathe out. Close your eyes if you feel like it. And take a deep breath in and breathe out. And let's sigh it out this time. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. If you feel like you need to sigh it out one more time, please do. The water flows gently and carry away any stress, tension, or heavy emotion in your body. Watch the stream move freely, effortlessly, just like your emotions are meant to be. Now imagine stepping into a river with cool, refreshing waters touch your skin, washing away all those stuck energy. With each breath, you feel lighter, freer, and more open to the flow of the life. If you see the tension in your body, imagine bringing more water flow to that section. What color is that? If it still looks dark, imagine the colors getting lighter and lighter each time you breathe it in and out. I let go of the control. I let go of resistance. I accepted the flow. You are fluid. You are free. And you are at peace. I want you to take a deep breath in and breathe out. And gently bring your awareness back to your body. You can move around your finger or toe. And when you're ready, please open your eyes. Thank you for coming back. Well, after the meditation, I would like you to write down anything you see through the meditation and any particular body sensation you have. Let's keep a journal so we can track which one worked for you the best, so we can tackle those things in those sessions more to help you move those energy and the stuckness. Okay? Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.